Welcome to Compare to Win. The best electrolyte powder is probably one of the most overlooked aspects of staying healthy and energized, especially for those who are active or sweat a lot. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of electrolyte powders, specifically the sugar-free options, to help you find the perfect one to keep you hydrated and performing at your best. We'll explore what makes a good electrolyte powder, what to look for, and which ones stand out from the crowd. Number 5. Xtend Original BCAA Powder, Muscle Recovery Drink. This is Xtend BCAA Powder. It has been helping people recover since 2004. It contains 7 grams of BCAAs in a nature-designed and research-proven 2:1:1 ratio. Designed to support muscle repair and recovery, this product is perfect for you. Each serving contains 7 g of BCAAs in clinically studied ratios, to help you train harder and recover better. Enjoy a delicious and sugar-free recovery drink. This post-workout mix helps support muscle recovery and growth without any added sugar. This product is tested and trusted. It is proudly NSF Contents tested and certified and Informed Choice certified, ensuring strict standards in product development and safety. To get the best results, consume a minimum of 14 grams of BCAAs per day. Added electrolytes help you to stay hydrated and support recovery after your workout. What we like. This product is packed with 7 grams of BCAAs, which is clinically proven to aid muscle repair and recovery. It is also sugar-free, so it won't derail your fitness goals. If you're looking to maximize your post-workout recovery and build muscle, you should consider this. What people say. BCAAs are essential for gaining muscle mass, but are especially helpful for maintaining muscle mass while on a calorie deficit diet. BCAAs also increase synthesis of the cellular machinery responsible for carrying out the process of protein synthesis. BCAAs also reduce the rate of protein breakdown by decreasing the activity of the components of the protein breakdown pathway, and also by decreasing the expression of several complexes involved in protein breakdown. Number 4. Key Nutrients Electrolytes Powder, Refreshing Lemonade. Our bodies need more than just water to get pumped up, and this electrolytes powder is the key. It has no calories or sugar, perfect for fitness enthusiasts and active individuals. With its delicious lemonade flavor, you'll enjoy staying hydrated. Refuel with this lemonade electrolyte powder, powered by 6 key electrolytes, including magnesium, potassium sorbate, and calcium. It also contains 10 vitamins to help you stay healthy and hydrated. When you sweat, you lose electrolytes, the minerals that keep you energized. Replenish lost fluids with this electrolytes no sugar powder mix and keep up with your active lifestyle. Mixing it with any drink, cold or hot, or with water makes this hydration powder your perfect drink companion. It has no fillers and artificial ingredients, just as nature intended. We are a veteran-founded business focused on developing high-impact health supplements for your active lifestyle. Made in the USA, our science-backed products help you lead happier and healthier lives. What we like. This product offers a refreshing lemonade flavor and is packed with key nutrients, including electrolytes and vitamins. It helps combat dehydration, keeping you energized. If you are an active individual who enjoys a tasty and healthy way to stay hydrated, you should consider this. What people say. This has the best combination of electrolytes, vitamins and minerals. It uses stevia, so no sugar. Taste is very good on its own or mixed. As I compared the ingredients to what I had been using before, I found out that all of the electrolyte, vitamins and minerals were in higher amounts. When hiking using this drink I don't seem to get as thirsty as fast, and more importantly I'm a bit less sore and for less time after hikes. This seems to indicate it is indeed working better as electrolyte replacement than Powerade. Number 3. Sports Research Hydrate Electrolytes, Lemon Lime. This sugar-free electrolyte powder doesn't compromise on taste. It comes in 4 natural flavors, including lemon lime, and a variety pack. It's a delicious way to stay hydrated. Each serving is packed with 6 electrolytes, over 65 trace minerals, 7 essential vitamins, and coconut water. This combination helps replenish what your body loses during activity. With 16 individual stick packs in each box, it's easy to take this with you. Whether you're at the gym, hiking, or at a festival, it's perfect for any activity. It provides a 2-to-1 sodium to potassium ratio, with 400 mg of sodium and 200 mg of potassium. Maintaining these levels is crucial for a healthy body, especially when you're active. Founded in 1980, Sports Research is a family-owned business. They create research-backed products for your overall wellness, inside and out. They are dedicated to helping you embrace the sport of life. What we like. This product is sugar-free and features a blend of trace minerals and coconut water for optimal hydration. The individual packets are perfect for on-the-go use. If you like to stay active and need a convenient way to hydrate throughout the day, you should consider this. What people say. Electrolyte sugar-free powder is a good product. It is a great product for hydration and electrolyte replenishment. This product is very effective. Number 2. Juicy Splash Electrolytes Powder. Feeling tired after a workout or a long day? This science-backed electrolyte powder can help you recharge quickly. It's designed to hydrate your body faster with a sodium-potassium balance and key electrolytes, supporting cellular energy recovery. Imagine the taste of fresh citrus or berries with every sip. This product is sweetened with stevia and has no artificial flavors. It's perfect for any time of day, providing a refreshing and satisfying experience. This hydration packet goes beyond hydration, delivering essential vitamins to keep you energized. It's designed to speed up recovery and boost your stamina, fitting seamlessly into any lifestyle. It's also gluten-free, vegan, non-GMO, and dairy-free. Why carry heavy drinks when you can have a small packet? These electrolyte powder packets are compact and easy to take with you. They dissolve instantly, providing smooth and refreshing hydration without any hassle. This product is made with naturally sourced ingredients and packaged in recyclable materials. It's a simple and sustainable way to hydrate. Just mix it with water and enjoy, or add it to your favorite drinks for a boost. What we like. This product provides hydration and energy 3x faster with a blend of key electrolytes. It offers real fruit flavors and essential vitamins, supporting various lifestyles. If you're looking for a fast-acting, clean hydration solution that fits your active lifestyle, you should consider this. What people say. The Hydrate Juicy Splash packets dissolve almost instantly, there are no gritty bits floating around like some other brands. I love that they're sugar-free and keto-friendly, so I can stay hydrated without messing up my macros or getting that sticky sweet taste. It's great knowing it's also vegan, gluten-free, and non-GMO, which makes it a clean choice overall. Number 1. HydroMATE Electrolyte Powder Variety Pack. Tired of cramps? This sugar-free hydration pack absorbs faster than water. It contains 5 electrolytes to quickly replenish your body. This formula is clean and keto-friendly. It has 0 sugar, is vegan, and contains no artificial colors. It's a healthy choice for your lifestyle. These single-serving packets are perfect for travel. Take them to the gym, on flights, to festivals, or to work. They are convenient and easy to use. Feeling fatigued? This product replaces essential minerals. It helps fight fatigue, heat stress, and next-day brain fog. It helps you recover quickly. Enjoy a variety of refreshing fruit flavors. With 30 sticks, you can keep your taste buds happy and avoid flavor fatigue. It's a delicious way to stay hydrated. What we like. This product provides rapid sugar-free hydration with a keto-friendly formula. The travel-ready stick packets are perfect for on-the-go use. If you are looking for a convenient, healthy hydration option to support your active lifestyle, you should consider this. What people say. Electrolyte sugar-free powder is a great product. It works great for hydration and tastes good. I like the taste and it helps me stay hydrated. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.